Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, guys, and welcome back. Guys, as you all know, recently I have been focusing on Medium a lot, and once again I have brought you a tutorial for Medium. It's regarding how to join a Medium publication for newbies especially, and the publication that I'm highlighting today exactly for that is called Be Unique. I'm going to this publication in front of you guys. So this publication is a very good publication, to be honest, especially for new writers, and the submission times and also writer acceptance time takes usually from 30 minutes to 24 hours. And in order to submit, you need to go over here on this link, and once you are over here on this link on the main page, I have given both the links, the main link to Be Unique as well as the submissions link. So all you have to do is just read the guidelines, everything, rules and everything, and just go over here to the comment section, and you have to write over here that I want to be a writer for Medium, and I am unique, something unique about yourself. You can check out other comments in the response section, and these guys are going to take like 3 minutes to 24 hours to contact you, and you can join their publication. So guys, this is how you can join this publication, Be Unique. And this I'm also going to tell you that in this publication Be Unique, you are required to submit a draft. You are required to submit a draft. They don't accept ready-made publication stories, Medium stories. And also I'm going to tell you that the founder of this publication is Abhay Salvi. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken. Link to his profile is in the description box. He's the chief editor, and also the second person who is very important is none other than Sania. She's also an editor over here, and I have linked her profile in the description of the video. My friends, also I wanted to tell you that this publication is having some good features in it, and they publish 10 stories per day so that the readers don't get spammed, unlike other publications who publish 100 stories per day, which readers mute them at the end. Number 2 is Be Unique allows every writer's stories to be in their editor's pick section, and every story has a chance to be there, so you have a huge chance to get on the front page of Be Unique. And the home page is quite friendly, to be honest, as you can see. And they also publish a weekly newsletter that gets into the inbox of thousands of email inboxes, so your story might have a big chance getting lots of eyeballs to it. And also finally, my friends, they once you are accepted into the Be Unique publication, you are going to be invited to a Slack group which has a lot of members, over 120 plus members, so you can talk to the editors in person. I'm also in that Slack group, and you can really talk to everybody over there. It's a very healthy community, and get your help starting as a new writer. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you need any help and guidance. Take care, my friends. Also do not forget to follow my Medium profile, my friends. All the links are in the description box. Take care.